Best diet to manage children with autism and ADHD. I am Beth Waweru, a certified nutritionist and a weight loss coach. Now, if you're managing a child with autism and ADHD, diet plays such a role. It can make them sleep or not even sleep. It can make them moody, it can make them hyperactive, or it can make them calm. Now, what are things you want to avoid? Processed foods. Something found in a box, something found in a can. Foods come from the farm, they come from the animals. So if that is not the source, most probably it's not something you want to give to your child. And that includes processed meats, sausages and smokies. They form a compound called nitrosamines. And nitrosamines also form when it comes to beer and all that. And they have been linked with many research findings, has linked that with something like cancer. So you really want to minimize that or avoid it altogether. It's not healthy, it's not helpful. Okay? The other thing you want to avoid is table sugar and the sodas and the juices, and finally is wheat products, wheat and its product, whether brown or white. And the other thing is the cooking oil, the vegetable. It's not vegetable actually, it's seed oil, but it's called vegetable oils. The normal one you find in plastic containers in the supermarket. I know you know them. So what should you use for cooking? You should use animal fat, something like tallow. You should use ghee, you should use butter, you should use coconut oil. Those are great sources. Now let's go to what you should feed your child. Animal proteins are the best. Fish, omena, chicken, eggs, beef, mbuzi, chicken, all those things, animal proteins, you should eat them. Should you eat the fatty ones? Yes, those are the best. 60% of our brain is fat. So our brain really appreciates fat. And for children with ADHD and autism, fat is really important. So the fatty meat are good. They're not going to increase their cholesterol. Those are meats. Just let them enjoy. Number 2 is vegetables. Vegetables are your best bet. So go for the raw vegetables, grate beetroot, cucumber. Those are good things you can add. Do go for the red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper, all those cucumbers, courgettes, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbages, kales, spinach. Good for your child. And then complex carbohydrates, sweet potatoes, arrowroots, pumpkin, butternut, green bananas. Those are good sources of carbohydrates. Something like rice and ugali are simple carbohydrates, and they are going to increase the blood glucose, and that high blood glucose is what causes the hyperactivity, and then it's digested so fast, comes down so fast, and the child is now moody and grumpy because the sugar has gone low. So we want to maintain some stability. That is why we want to give them fat, proteins, vegetables, and a little complex carbohydrate. If your child is already maybe overweight, you want to really minimize on the carbohydrates. And then